Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a dotted line border in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the home menu. Select the new slide option and select the blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the shape option. We can see here many shape. You can add any shape. Now I am select the triangle shape. Then draw the triangle, press and hold the shift. Then select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Then select the format shape option. Then enable the line. Now we can see here many options. You can make the line solid line, otherwise gradient line. Now I am check mark on the solid line and choose the color. Now I am select the color red. Then increase the white. Now we want to add dotted border. Select the dash type drop down menu and we can see here many dot. You can add the square dot or the round dot. Now I am select the square dot. You can change the fill color. Select this fill option and change the color. Now we can see we make the shape dotted border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.